Nikon Super Resolution Microscopes bring your research into the world of nanoscopic resolution beyond the diffraction limit of conventional optics. Nikon's new Super Resolution Microscopes, NSIM and NStorm, enable the elucidation of structure and function of the nanoscopic machinery within living cells. The resolution of conventional optical microscopes, even with the highest numerical aperture optics, are limited by diffraction to approximately 200 nanometers. Using high-frequency structured illumination, the Nikon NSIM can achieve image resolution of 85 nanometers, which was previously considered impossible with optical microscopes. With temporal resolution of up to 0.6 seconds per frame, NSIM enables super-resolution time-lapse imaging capture of dynamic molecular interactions in living cells. The observation of such dynamics at this resolution can open new worlds of discovery. NStorm trades off temporal resolution for spatial resolution, realizing an incredible image resolution of approximately 20 nanometers, which is 10 times or more than that of conventional optical microscopes. Analytical processing of recorded moire patterns produced by overlay of a known high spatial frequency pattern mathematically restores sub-resolution structure of a specimen. Utilizing high-frequency striped illumination, Nikon is able to double the resolution. Stochastic optical reconstruction microscopy reconstructs a super-resolution fluorescent image by combining precisely localized information of each fluorophore detected within a complex microscope specimen. Multicolor super-resolution imaging is possible by cleverly combining various activator and reporter probes. This makes it possible to gain critical insight into the co-localization and interaction of multiple proteins at the molecular level. Nikon's NSIM NStorm microscope systems, allowing you to see like you have never seen before. To request a demo, contact your Nikon representative today or visit us online at www.nikoninstruments.com/superres.